Okay, guys, like I said in the group chat, I'm going to try and explain how I do my back testing so it can help you see what price did in the past, and it can help you forecast and see and also prove if a strategy works for you or not. There are a lot of strategies that are there in the market, and you can be profitable from any of them. It's not only one strategy that works, but you should try to stick to one thing and master it. So if you try to use moving averages, indicators, that can work for you. That could be your style. You can also use this type of backtest to see if your strategy was profitable in days that have passed. So with the strategy that I'm teaching you guys, we can try and backtest something here, and we see whether we win or we lose. It doesn't matter, but I'm just showing you how I do my backtesting. So what you do is on TradingView, you click this replay. If it's unpaid, then you need to upgrade it. I think you can only replay daily, weekly, and monthly if it's unpaid. But if it's paid, you can replay candles that on the H1, M15, and so forth. So on this one, I'm just gonna click replay. Usually I go on the daily and just try to hide some price action and click replay and choose a random date to test. So we can go to somewhere, you can say February, starting February. We start our backtesting. So we do the backtest session just like how you do in the live markets. So this is how I would do this in the live markets. So I'll just put my markings, start my analysis, then we start going. So just watch how I'm doing it and see how many opportunities we'll get. So from the daily, that's my marking, my trend lines, put everything in there. I'm just going to do this quickly so that you can see how I do it. Okay, so probably put this one there. Okay, then I go to my H4, then see how price is moving from there, smoothing out my trend lines. Okay, this is the UD card. So now price is here. I go to the H1 to see what it's doing. So this is where price is. So I can expect price to move up, correct here, to go down. Or price can do the opposite and come here and correct like that and go up. I'm sure you've seen me doing this a lot of times. This is how I focus. So I just play the market now to see where it goes. So play it. When I see an opportunity, I stop and enter. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Price is broken down. Let's see where the price can be going here. Okay, let's go. Go. Okay. Let's see what price is doing now here. Can have a double top here, so we have an impulse. I'm expecting a correction here to go down. Okay, so let's see how that goes. So it is broken up, but I can then move my trend line to something like this and see what price wants to do here. Okay. Okay. So this is how you backtest. You monitor what price is doing each candlestick, just like how you do it in the live markets. Okay. So here I expect something to form here, a reversal pattern. So let's see how that goes. Okay, I think this is here. Let's go. I don't like that the way it broke out here, so I'll let that trade pass. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'll delete that one. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I'll do this here. Okay. So as you're backtesting, you just have to forecast on what you think the price will do according to your strategy. Okay, what you look for and things like that. Okay, that is broken down. I can sell this one here, from here. Put my stop loss just above this level. See this one, just above this level. That's my strategy. That's what I do. So I'm just showing you how I do it. Okay, then my take profit, like I said, I trail my stop losses, so I don't set a particular take profit. So let's go. Let's see how that one goes. Goes into profit. So then management is what you need to understand. So here price pulled back and then made a high and went down. So I'll probably put my stop loss to break even at this time. Okay, that's my stop loss. Okay, so take will be more aggressive when price comes here, as this is a key level at some point. Let's see if you go on H4. This is a key level here, so I'll just be more aggressive over here in terms of my management. So we keep playing candles. There you go. So it has given me another low, another high. So I'll put my stop loss just above here. Then we see how price goes. Okay. Okay. Boom. It went down that one just below. So I'll just secure more profits, probably above this high. Okay. Then you keep moving. Then I'm out. Okay. So this would be 0.8 trade, so that I would have made 0.8% on this one. So you just, this is how you backtest. This is how I backtest my strategy. So if you do this like a lot of times, you end up knowing how a particular pair moves, what you expect from other pairs. Some pairs correct differently, some pairs don't correct, some pairs give you flags, some give you peanuts, and you need to understand how a pair moves. So when I was saying you need to start backtesting and see how your strategy is playing out, this is what I meant. So after doing this, I usually take screenshots and record my entry and my management and my entry reasons, so that I can see on which pair does this pattern play a lot and which pair is more profitable with which type of pattern. So basically that's how I backtest. Hopefully you guys have learned something, and let me know in the comment section what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.